Today we are going to make bun maska. This is my favorite, yeah. In Hyderabad, definitely, if anybody is going to Hyderabad, definitely you must try bun maska with one kadak chai. Wow, wow. How to make, I'll show you. This is a lukewarm milk. See the milk, yeah. And we have to add the sugar also. And this is the yeast. That's all, yeah. Now I'm taking half teaspoon yeast. Actually, 1.5 to a teaspoon you have to put this one. And next is sugar also. Sugar half teaspoon. Okay. Totally 1 teaspoon. Okay. This you have to keep it inside. That's all. Keep it for a 5 to 10 minutes. It will be coming up. Then we can mix it. That's all. Yeah. Very easy. No. See this one. And I put it all that. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Now we are going to make it nicely. Very easy. See, yeah, already like this it will happen. At least you have to keep it for the 10 minutes in the warm place wherever. Okay, this is ready, and this is the butter and little bit of the salt, and this is a dry, and this warm water, lukewarm water. This one. Okay, that's all. Now you have to mix it. Very easy. Make it one round here, then put it totally. Yeah, I'll see how much it will go, and a little bit, one pinch of the salt already, because there's the butter also, salt is there, but anyhow we have to mix it like this. Yeah, like this. And again, see how much you wanted, like this. Okay, and little bit water also I'm keeping. Nicely mix it like this. Yeah, this butter, 1.5 teaspoon butter. Okay, nicely. This only be important when you are making the bread or buns and pav. Same only, yeah. If you want to make it little bit of sugar, other you don't want this pav means no sugar, only salt you have to add. That's it. The consistency very careful. Little adding the water. Nicely. More water. I don't want to waste my this thing also. So I'm mixing all that. Yeah. See the consistency. Now nicely. Yeah. We'll add little water. Very little only. Yes. That's it. This is only very important when you're doing this one. I mean, like this means you have to chapati. Like this only you have to do. Like this. You must have some stamina and all, but good for your hands, and nice exercise also. See. Yeah. 6 to 7 minutes, I think so. We'll add it little water. This is little bit hard. So that's what I'm showing properly how we have to do. That is very important. Little warm water. This is sprinkle it properly. Like this only. If it's sticking also, no problem. You want to add little bit of butter, you can, otherwise not necessary. Okay. Like this only it has to come, yeah. Then only bread will become, the bun will become very nice. Okay. This is only you have to see properly when you are doing first time. I love actually bun. See how it's coming. Again we have to do. See, yeah, this one already I'm doing like this only. You have to, that is only very important. When you are eating, the bun, that time if you are not doing properly this one, the yeast smell will come. If you are doing like this, then the yeast smell, it won't come. Then fluffy and soft also it will be there. That is only very important. Yeah, maybe you're thinking it's over. No, I have to do again a little while. But like this only, it's a consistency, yeah. One thing I want to tell you, that is only one tip, when you're doing the yeast smell you don't want in the bun or bread, that time only you have to nicely do, then only it will come very fluffy and nicely. Okay. That is only I want to tell you. Again, we have to do, at least I told, you have to see the 3 minutes and take one little bit break when the first time if you're doing like this only. This is only everywhere, anywhere you have to do little hard work. Okay. See how I am doing again. This over, but anyhow, if you are doing nicely, it will come here. See, this is like, the bread, it will come nicely bun. That is only important tip. Okay. Yeah. See, we have to keep it at least 1 hour. Yeah, only 45 minutes, like that you have to see. See, yeah, now it's ready. Just I'll close it and keep it now. Yeah, this is ready. Now we have to grease that one and we'll keep it for 45 minutes. See, now just I'll grease this one. Okay, now grease it for 45 minutes. Just cloth, wet cloth. I'll show that one also, how you have to keep it for. Okay, ready, we'll go. We'll keep it inside now. Oh my God, so beautiful. The fermentation, how nice this one. Look at this. Wow. It will go down. Now this is only, I told you, this is a wet cloth. You have to again cover it like this. Then grease the tray. Little bit of butter. Nicely. You have to put like this only. Okay, now this is ready. Now I am going to show you this one. Take it out and roll it. Now again make it nice roll. Don't do now much, huh? Just like this only you have to do. Actually we have to do in slab. I'll do here only, this better. Nice, this one. So put some this is maida only, yeah. This is not anything. Yes. Now just roll it like this. Yeah. Now if you have this one, otherwise you can cut it any this thing. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. This become big or small. It's okay, no problem, because I don't know how to do it. Now roll it nicely. It has to come softly. I'm also not a big chef, but anyhow I'm trying, I'm getting it. Just I want to show the people also like this. Don't think, yeah, one small, one big. Please excuse me. Okay, this is the shape, and keep it like this. And again, this is only important because I told you I learned how to do, so you have to be careful when you're doing. The softness should be come up like this. Make it one ball. We'll say budaga in Telugu. The people maybe laugh. Budaga. That is better, yeah. This is again, it's gone. It's okay, but anyway, I'm showing. This become a big. You want, you can measure it properly. Sometimes I'll do measure it, then it will come nicely. I don't know how it's going to come. Don't laugh, please. Enjoy. I will enjoy. If it's coming wrong also, I will enjoy only. See. Mine is one become a big and small, yeah. Yeah. I told this is only natural way I'm telling you. Otherwise, they'll show properly. It won't happen like that. No, sometimes it will happen. Some people will do properly. They will work nicely. So again, you have to keep this one for half an hour. Yeah. Then close the wet cloth. I'll show you that one also. One thing I forgot to tell you. I'm from Hyderabad. From the childhood when we used to go to the school and all. Morning means 1 cup chai and 1 Bun maska we used to eat. See how much I am, from childhood when you used to go to the school also. Again, I forgot. I told when the camera is coming, just I don't know just where my concentration is. But anyhow, the bun maska is the story like that. Now I am going to bake this one. I'll show you how. Okay, this is a butter, yeah, melted one only. Now you have to grease it properly like this slowly, because I am not using egg. Actually they will tell you you use the egg, but I am not using, just butter only I am putting like this. So now this is the wet cloth. Again close it for the half an hour. Where it's gone. Yeah, keep it for the half an hour one side. Yeah, and we are going to preheat the oven. Come, I'll show you this one also. My oven is ready. I'm going to keep it. See, I preheated my oven 170. Now you can bake it this one like this. Very less, yeah. So it's okay. Now set the time 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your bun is ready. Now my bun is ready. Time is over 25 minutes. Okay. Now switch off this one. Where it's going? Yeah. Up. Very hot. Yeah. I forgot to keep ready. See, I told you now very small quantity only I put it. So, yeah, 6 buns is ready now. I will show you how to cover this one. That is only very, very important. With the cloth only I have to do that one. Come. Now just, sometimes I'll apply with the milk, butter and milk. Now I'm not doing. Already the color is very nice, so not necessary for that. Just you can cover it with the wet cloth. Cool down, that's all. If 10-15 minutes, it's okay, fine. After that, you can remove it. That's it, yeah. Now I told always I use that one only. Very easy, posy buns is ready to eat with the chicken curry, mutton curry, anything just like that. I love to eat with the pudina chutney, cucumber and all, tomato. You put a little bit chili. My God. See, I inside my bun. Now butter. I'm using very less only. If you want more, you can apply more. Inside bun maska. Now I'm going to taste. That's all. For everybody, water mouth, mouth watering. I think so. Oh God, see, with the chai means superb. Yeah, that one not now. Now chai is not there, but only I'm taking this bun and maska. Oh my God. Oh, just like this one. Yeah. So tasty. Yeah. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy this one.